Welcome to Ruby Star Auto Body, your new state-of-the-art facility in Hollywood, Florida. Here at Ruby Star Auto Body, we specialize in luxury vehicles and exotic vehicles, such as the current 720S we have right here. For any collision work, body work, or custom work, we do it all here at Ruby Star Auto Body. We're a one-stop shop. We know how much of a pain it is to deal with insurance companies, so we want to make it easy for you. All you have to do is drop off your keys, pick up your keys, once the car is done. It's all that simple. To contact us, all you have to do is reach us at RubyStarAutobody.com or give us a call at 305-413-0936.